In a competition with Samantha? Were you in competition with blood clot Samantha? Dirty dad. You in a competition with your daughter? Come, me know about your daughter before me know about blood clot. Your daughter never did bring down people on TikTok. Let's talk. You have a daughter named Samantha Fort Jenner. And when I was on TikTok, I saw a video circulating of your daughter. And I never once see a video of your blood clot daughter bring down nobody on TikTok. I make with blood clot a bitter bitch. Because you don't know who the blood clot me be. You hear that? Me make you have to park up pussy hole. You hear that? Don't fuck yourself with me. Stop mention my name. Stop mention my blood clot name, dirty woman. You're so bitter, dirty woman. You're too bitter. You're too corrupt. I who tell you for waste out of blood clot life, dirty girl. Stop mention my blood clot name. I'm tired of you. Stop talk about me. Go find somebody else to talk about big pussy woman. Me and you not in a competition. You think so you can come kill me off like you kill off your blood clot that allegedly? Because to all you bitter, you don't let me for think nothing else for true. Me have to talk with everybody else out the street attack say a bad minded daughter for the attention we should have blood clot get. I know you come bring down blood clot me like you want me to get high blood pressure and dead. Go suck your man and stop. Follow me up, dirty woman. Me tired of you. Me tired of blood clot you. I'm tired of you now. I be a liar, tell upon me and bring me down and talk about all my body.